Hi, this is Rebecca with the Aroma Institute, and today I want to talk about a basic body lotion recipe that you can use. I mean, if you want to try a good recipe at home and use your own essential oils, well, why not try it today following these simple instructions? Okay, so what you're going to need is 4 ounces of unscented lotion, or you can use a carrier oil or even a hydrosol. You're going to add 18 drops of a top note essential oil, 12 drops of a middle note essential oil, and then 6 drops of a base note essential oil. Now, you're going to need a container to keep this in, or a plastic bottle. I find it's hard to get the lotions down in the bottle sometimes, so I like to use maybe a tub or a container. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your carrier oil or lotion in your bottle or container. And then you're going to add your essential oils, starting with your base note essential oils. Okay, first. Now, we want to follow up with the middle note, and then we're going to add our top note essential oils. Now, you can add as many or as little as you like. You do not have to have absolutely 18 drops of top note, but it will be according to which oils you choose to use. Some are stronger than others, so you may not want to put as many drops of that oil in. So after you finish this, you're going to want to stir it up with your stir rod or recap and shake it if you have it in a bottle. You would just use this as normal and get a chance to enjoy the fragrances of the oils, as well as get those therapeutic properties into your body, because it will be absorbed into the skin as you wear it throughout the day. I hope that helps you. Let me know how this recipe works for you by leaving a comment below. Let us know if you like it or not. And if you want more information on how to do therapeutic blending, then you want to get a copy of my book called Therapeutic Blending with Essential Oil, Decoding the Healing Matrix of Aromatherapy. You can find it on Amazon.com.